news also now coming in from Tehran, where huge explosions have rocked the city. In the visuals on your screens, once again, you see massive fireballs erupting into the sky, followed by thick plumes of black smoke billowing over the city. Residents across the capital and nearby provinces reported powerful blasts, shaking buildings and power outages in several districts. Let's take in some more updates now. In more breaking news, Iranian forces have destroyed a US Army Boeing CH-47 Chinook heavy lift helicopter in what officials are calling the first direct hit on this major transport asset since the conflict began on February 28. According to reports, the Chinook was struck during operations in the region, suffering catastrophic damage that left the aircraft completely obliterated. Iranian sources claim the helicopter was taken out by their air defenses or a one-way drone strike, releasing dramatic images and footage showing the wreckage. These you can see, viewers, on your screens. Iranian forces destroying US Army Boeing CH-47 Chinook heavy lift helicopter. Right, more and more losses, viewers, are coming in for the United States. Group Captain, how do you respond?
Yes, Kriti, a large number of aerial assets being lost by US Air Force, US Navy and US Marine Corps. Definitely Iran is getting very, very precise intelligence about location of these aerial assets, helicopter, transport aircraft, air-to-air refuelers, jammers, and fighter aircraft which are located in various Gulf countries. Iranian intelligence gets its input from sympathetic local citizens of these countries. Kriti, this has to be understood that in all these Gulf countries, the ruling elite, they are aligned with USA.
Yeah.
Say somewhere you'll find there is a king, prince, somewhere there is a sultan, a sheikh, amir. These people are aligned with USA. But the common citizens, especially the poor people, lower middle class, lower class in these countries, poor people in these countries, their sympathy lies towards Iranian people. So Iranian intelligence agencies keep getting regular feedback from the Iranians who are, working there or who are maintenance staff at these facilities, housekeeping staff at these facilities, and they keep giving information to Iranian handlers. And within no time, Iran launches a precision strike by launching a surface-to-surface missile at that particular precise location. So for Americans, this war is turning out to be expensive, tiring, and probably very soon Donald Trump will have to decide an honorable way of exiting this war. I think very soon he will carry out a big hit, and then depending upon the success of the hit, he may tell his supporters in Republican Party and his domestic audience in USA that USA has won the war. USA has neutralized Iran's war waging potential, and then USA will stop bombing Iran. Simultaneously, he will have to pressurize Netanyahu also to stop bombing Iran. And Iran has repetitively said that they will attack USA and Israel's assets only as a counter attack. That means only if USA and Israel carry out bombing on Iran, then as a response, Iran will launch the missiles. So if, suppose it is a big if, suppose USA and Israel stop bombing of Iran, then Iran will also stop launching of missiles at Israel and at these Gulf countries. Probably that will be a very good way of ending this war. Like India did during Operation Sindoor. Pakistan DGMO requested India to stop. Indian DGMO responded in a positive manner. We stopped hitting Pakistani targets. Pakistan also did not hit our targets. That is a very, very mature way of ending a war between, unnecessary war between two belligerent countries.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Viewers, some more breaking news updates now. An Iranian missile has slammed into an industrial facility in Israel's Negev desert, triggering a large explosion and fire near Beersheba. Now, the strike hit the Neot Hovav industrial zone, which is an Iranian missile has slammed into an industrial facility in Israel's desert, triggering a large explosion and fire near Beersheba. The strike hit the industrial zone there, viewers. Neot Hovav was the industrial zone. Mr. Tijawat, your concluding remarks on the damage that we are looking at, and what is a time frame that you are looking at for a ceasefire to be arrived at?
Thank you, Kritiji. This is very much true that we need to find out the way, means we in the sense the only the Iran, United States and Israel can find the way that when they are willing to stop and when they are willing to go for the ceasefire, because they have already taken enough the lives, especially in Gaza, but of course, Iran is not a Gaza. So in turn, the Iran definitely will retaliate, and there will be some more the harm there in the Israel. And Israel, we know that in a range of the Iranian missiles. But we know that the Iranian defense system is comparatively better, and even the most of the buildings there in the Israel are having a bunkers, and they have a good siren systems. That's why if the Iran is killing only 5 people, then in turn actually the Iran need to lose almost 50 or the 60 lives. So that is a difference between the ratio in both the countries. But still, I believe that the best way to find out the solutions, because if they will keep bombardment on Iran, then I think the things will go more messy, and both the parties are going to get nothing. Over to you.
Okay, thanks very much then, Mr. Tijawat. Also thank Group Captain UK Devnath for joining us and helping us with their perspectives. We now take a very quick break, viewers. You stay tuned to NewsX.